Friends, Arnold Schwarzenegger is one of the greatest inspiration in my life. I think I do not need to tell you guys about Arnold. In this video, I'm going to repeat a speech which was given by him at the governor's 2009 USC commencement address. He spoke about the 6 rules of success. So here it goes, the 6 rules of success. People ask me all the time, they say, what is the secret of success? The first rule is trust yourself. Trust yourself that you have to dig deep down and ask yourself, who do you want to be? Not what, but who. And I am talking about not what your parents and teachers want you to be, but you. I am talking about figuring out for yourself what makes you happy, no matter how crazy it may sound to other people. So rule number 1 is, of course, trust yourself, no matter how and what anyone else thinks. Rule number 2 is break the rules. We have so many rules in life about everything. I say break the rules. Not the law, but break the rules. It is impossible to be a maverick or a true original if you are too well behaved and don't want to break the rules. You have to think outside the box. That's what I believe. After all, what is the point of being on this earth if all you want to do is to be liked by everyone and avoid trouble? The only way I ever got any place was by breaking some of the rules. Coming to rule number 3, don't be afraid to fail. Anything I have ever attempted, I was always willing to fail. You can't always win, but don't be afraid of making decisions. You can't be paralyzed by the fear of failure, or you will never push yourself. You keep pushing because you believe in yourself and your vision. And you know that it is the right thing to do and success will come. So don't be afraid to fail. Rule number 4, don't listen to the naysayers. How many times have you heard that you can't do this, you can't do that, and it's never been done before? I love it when someone says that no one has ever done this before, because then when I do it, that means I am the first one that has done it. So pay no attention to the people that say it can't be done. I always listen to myself and say, yes, you can. Rule number 5, work your butt off. I always believed leaving no stones unturned. Muhammad Ali, one of my greatest heroes, had a great line in the 70s when he was asked, how many sit-ups do you do? I only start counting when it starts hurting. When I feel pain, that's when I start counting, because that's when it really counts. That's what makes you a champion. And that's the way it is with everything. No pain, no gain. And let me tell you, it's important to have fun in life, of course, but when you are out there partying, horsing around, someone out there at the same time is working hard, someone is getting smarter, and someone is winning. Just remember that. But if you want to win, there is absolutely no way around hard work. None of my rules by the way of success will work unless you do. I have always figured out that there is 24 hours in a day. You sleep 6 hours and have 18 hours left. Now I know there are some of you out there that say, well, wait a minute, I sleep 8 hours or 9 hours. Well, then just sleep faster, I would recommend. Just remember, you can't climb the ladder of success with your hands in the pockets. Rule number 6, it's about giving back. Whatever path that you take in your life, you must always find time to give something back. Something back to your community, state, or to your country. Let me tell you something, reaching out and helping people will bring you more satisfaction than anything else you have ever done. So, this concludes my 6 rules to success. So, remember these 6 rules. Trust yourself. Break some rules. Don't be afraid to fail. Ignore the naysayers. Work like hell. Give something back to others.
Thank you for supporting. Keep watching. We'll bring more interesting videos in this channel for you. Thank you.